Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep my life in order, your life, your journey, your lifestyle that fits for you. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you my decluttering and organizing of my small closet. This is part 2, you guys. Please comment below and let me know which part of the video had motivated you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get started. Yeah, when I tell you I was so close to going out and buying me a whole bunch of summer clothes, and now I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh my God, I would have been spending money for no reason. You guys, where y'all go out there and purchase any kind of summer clothes, spring clothes, y'all check your closet, see what you got, because you just never know, and you can save some money. And look at this, I got a whole wardrobe, y'all. Yeah. The thing about having a small closet, you guys, if you really have to maximize on your space. And so what I decided to do is I was going to hang up my bottom, which are like my jeans and my skirts. I'm going to hang them at the top part of this closet, and then I decided to hang my shirts and stuff at the bottom level because I actually need this shelving unit that I'm working on to house some more of my handbags. And so I just decided to just fold up my bottoms as many times as I can, so when they're hanging at the top level, they won't be looking all just, long, and they won't be covering up my purses basically. So I found this technique and it really works. So comment below and let me know if you guys have any ideas for like small closet organization when you're trying to maximize on your space, especially when you have a lot of items.